Would you guys date a broke guy?
Yes, I would. I would. We could build together in the future, yeah. I would.
Would you?
Yes, once you're working with man, you know, so we go build together and
All right. So let me be one more last question here. So does size really matter to all you?
Yes.
Yes?
yes.
Is it least all you take it?
The least?
Yes.
I would say like a medium build.
Size, length. Size, length.
The least? 6.
Yours?
Like he's so like you. yeah.